Hello, so today I am going to introduce my Edmodo page and what I am going to use it for. Down here I have communities and I have added the creative arts community to my Edmodo page so that I can keep an eye on different posts that have creative arts tagged. In my library section, I have added the playing cards Pinterest board that I'm going to be using for one of my lessons and my art website. And then I also added my Google Drive so that I can access all of the files that I have made on my Google Drive. So using Edmodo, I created a group for a digital art high school class. I made the age range 10th grade through 12th grade. The activity that I focused on for this activity would be for 11th grade. Down here I have my poll that I made. My poll is very simple. The students will be designing their own playing cards using Adobe Illustrator and a laser cutter. I wanted the poll to serve as an introduction to the lesson, so I started with a simple question. Have you ever seen playing cards that aren't traditionally designed? The students can then hit yes or no. I then followed up with my poll question with a note that links students to a Pinterest board. So they'll go down here, they'll click on this link, and it will take them to the Pinterest board. The board has different playing cards on it. If this was for a real lesson, I would have more pins. I only have 11 pins right now for this, but this serves as a great introduction to what it would look like. So they can go here and they can get inspiration for their activity. For the last step of the lesson, students would watch a video that introduces them to the basic template for a playing card and the specifications that are required when they use a laser cutter. I created a screencasted video of myself using Adobe Illustrator to design a playing card. I then put the video on Edpuzzle to edit it. I can add quiz questions throughout the video to make sure my students are learning the necessary information. I have 3 questions in this video. They are all related to the important information that the students will need to have memorized when they are working with a laser cutter. The first question is to remind students of the RGB number settings. They can click on the answer they think it is, and it will tell them which answer is correct. So I will click on this one, which is wrong, and when I hit submit, it will tell me that that was wrong by having the background red, and it'll point the green arrow next to the answer that I should have done. The second question is about line thickness, and the third question is about the color of the line. So the idea is that after students have watched this video and taken the quiz, they will then know how to design their playing card as well as design it so that it will be cut out on a laser cutter. After they've looked at everything that I've provided for them, they can do this project at home and bring it in the next day, and we can work on any of the problems that they had. Thank you for watching my screencast.